Hey there, future pool owners. A backyard pool is more than just a place to swim. It's a gathering spot for family and friends, a private oasis for relaxation, and a surefire way to beat the summer heat. But building a pool is a big project. It takes careful planning, a bit of hard work, and maybe even a little sweat equity. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, from the initial planning stages to the moment you take your first refreshing dip. We'll cover everything from choosing the right type of pool for your needs to navigating the permitting process, and even offer some tips on decking and landscaping to transform your backyard into a true paradise. So, grab a cool drink, put on your builder's hat, figuratively of course, and let's dive in. This is an exciting journey, and the end result will be well worth the effort. Get ready to transform your backyard into a haven of fun, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. Let's make that dream a reality. Before we break ground, let's talk design. This is where your vision starts to take shape. The first step is to determine the purpose of your pool. Are you envisioning pool parties with the whole neighborhood or a tranquil escape for quiet afternoons? Next, consider the size and shape of your pool. Do you want a classic rectangular design, a freeform shape for a more natural look, or a sleek lap pool for fitness? Think about how much space you have available in your backyard and what size pool would best complement your home. Don't forget about location. Where will your pool get the most sunlight? Are there any trees that might drop leaves or obstruct the view? You'll also want to consider the proximity to your house for easy access and the view from inside your home. Remember, this is your dream pool, so don't be afraid to get creative. Browse through magazines, explore online galleries, and consult with pool professionals to gather inspiration and refine your vision. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, it's time to move on to the next exciting phase. Excavation. With the design in hand, it's time to bring in the heavy machinery. Excavation is a crucial step in the pool building process, and it's best left to the professionals. They have the experience and equipment to ensure the job is done safely and efficiently. The first step is to obtain any necessary permits from your local municipality. Permits ensure that your pool project meets all safety and building codes, giving you peace of mind throughout the construction process. Once the permits are in place, the excavation team will mark the outline of your pool and begin digging. The depth and shape of the excavation will depend on the type and size of pool you've chosen. During this phase, they'll also prepare the area for plumbing and electrical connections, ensuring everything is ready for the next stage of construction. Excavation can be a messy job, but it's a necessary step towards realizing your backyard oasis. Remember to communicate clearly with your contractor, address any concerns promptly, and stay informed throughout the process. With a solid foundation in place, you're well on your way to making a splash. Section 4. Pool structure, shaping your aquatic retreat. Now that the groundwork is laid, it's time to start building the actual structure of your pool. There are 3 main types of pools to choose from: concrete, fiberglass, and vinyl. Each has its own set of advantages and considerations, so let's dive into the details. Concrete pools are the most customizable option, allowing for endless shapes, sizes, and features. They are built by spraying a concrete mixture over a rebar framework, creating a durable and long-lasting structure. Fiberglass pools, on the other hand, are pre-manufactured in a factory and delivered to your home ready to be installed. They are known for their smooth, non-porous surface, which makes them easy to maintain and resistant to algae growth. Vinyl pools offer affordability and flexibility. They consist of a metal or polymer frame that supports a custom-fitted vinyl liner, which holds the water. Vinyl liners come in a wide range of colors and patterns, allowing you to personalize your pool's aesthetic. The choice of pool structure depends on your budget, desired level of customization, and long-term maintenance preferences. Consult with reputable pool builders and gather quotes to make an informed decision that aligns with your vision and lifestyle. Section 5. Plumbing and electrical, the heart of your oasis. While they might not be the most glamorous aspects of pool ownership, plumbing and electrical systems are essential for keeping your pool clean, safe, and enjoyable. This stage involves installing the pipes, pumps, filters, and electrical components that circulate and sanitize the water. For plumbing, you'll need a system to bring water to the pool, circulate it through the filter, and return it clean and sparkling. This involves installing pipes, valves, pumps, and a filtration system. The type and size of equipment will depend on the size and type of your pool. Electrical work includes wiring the pool pump, lights, and any additional features like heaters or waterfalls. It's crucial to have a qualified electrician handle these installations to ensure they meet safety standards and local codes. They will also connect the electrical system to your home's power supply. Don't try to tackle plumbing or electrical work yourself unless you're a qualified professional. These systems are complex and require specialized knowledge to ensure they function correctly and safely. Hire licensed and insured contractors who have experience with pool installations. Section 6. Finishing touches. Adding sparkle to your pool. With the structure, plumbing, and electrical work complete, it's time to add the finishing touches that will transform your pool into a shimmering oasis. This stage involves applying the interior finish, installing coping and tiles, and adding any desired water features. For concrete pools, the interior finish typically involves plastering, which creates a smooth and waterproof surface. You can choose from traditional white plaster, colored plaster for a more vibrant look, or aggregate finishes that incorporate pebbles or glass beads for a textured effect. Fiberglass pools come with a pre-finished gel coat surface that is smooth and easy to maintain. Vinyl pools, on the other hand, get their finish from the liner, which is custom fitted to the pool's dimensions and secured in place. Coping, the material that covers the pool's edge, adds a decorative touch and provides a comfortable and safe surface for swimmers to sit or lean on. Tiles, often used as accents or to create borders, can add a touch of elegance and personality to your pool's design.